Kansi, iconic Filipino recipe. Make your own, guys. The ingredient of our beautiful Kansi. Beef chunks, 1 kilo. Make the difference because we need the bone marrow. 1 medium-sized yellow onion is perfect for soup, or the yellow or the white, not the red, please. Lemongrass, we will use 1 pieces. About the chili, because we need chili, 2 of green chili and 2 of beautiful red chili. Very nice. Tomato, I will use 2 tomato. There are recipe with tomato and recipe no. I love it. And another superstar of this recipe, green jackfruit. Buy the green one, don't buy the yellow, is for dessert. We will use 3 cups. In this recipe there is a special ingredient called batuan. It's a green fruit, typical in Philippines, but you cannot find it anywhere, that give this sour and bitterness to this soup. Of course, due to the fact that you can taste it just in Philippines, we need to replace. And I found a way. We will use Sita, the Sinigang mix, the tamarind version that I found extremely similar to this amazing flavor that we test in the Philippines. That's it, guys. Of course, to give this amazing color, yellow, typical of the Kansi, annatto powder or achote from Sita brand, the same brand make even that, unbelievable. Typical is typical. Salt as usual, and that's it. And few steps to follow. First, the most important, we take our beautiful beef, we put in the pan, we cover it with water, we bring to boil, we strain it and we wash it to remove the impurity and at the end get a super nice clear stock. I'm a professional, what to say about. Second step, we slice our onion, we cut our tomato, we put the meat back to the pot, we cover it with water and we add the vegetable. Cover and we let it go till the beef is super tender. I will use my pressure cooker. Save a lot of time. We add our Sita Sinigang mix that will make the difference, of course, and give you this sourness. Unbelievable product. We pass to our pressure cooker, just 30 minutes. After that, back to the pot. We add the jackfruit, chili, annatto, and that's it, guys. We simmer another 3-4 minutes because my jackfruit is already cooked. And after ready to be tasted. For the lemongrass, we just take it like that and we fold it. It's actually a combination of the bulalo and the sinigang with a special ingredient that is the batuan and the jackfruit. And this is Chef Luca, Life in Full Flavor, your channel for comfort food. Please subscribe, ring the bell if you didn't do it already. And time to test this beauty. Look at that. Sweet, sour, meaty, fatty for this beautiful bone marrow. Incredible, guys. And the Sita mix, the Sinigang mix, it's a game changer. Look at that. Make your own.